Hey guys, Lindsay here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make glitter point shoes. Let's get started. So the first things you're going to need are 2 sponge paint brushes. You can find these at all craft stores and you can probably find them on Amazon. You're also going to need Mod Podge, glitter, and acrylic paint that matches your glitter. So you're also going to want to use a couple of paper plates or things to keep your paint and glitter in that you're not too worried about ruining or getting dirty. So just put some paint in a paper plate and put that on your brush and just start painting your shoe however works best. You don't need to worry too much about using specific strokes or going with the grain of the fabric. Just do whatever packs the most pigment and gets the color really saturated into your shoe. You also don't need to worry about this step looking perfect because you're going to be covering it up with Mod Podge and glitter later on. So just cover your shoe and make sure that it's opaque, but also you don't need it to look completely even and perfect because you're not going to see the details of this step. So next we're moving on to adding on the glitter. So you're going to take some Mod Podge and work in sections on your shoe. So put a section of Mod Podge on and then just scoop up the glitter and pat that into the Mod Podge. Don't worry about the Mod Podge drying too fast, but you do need to work quickly because it will dry clear, and when it's clear you won't be able to put any of the glitter on and make it stick. So put the glitter on while the Mod Podge is white and you will be just fine. Working in sections is what I recommend because you have more control over time and you can put as much glitter and Mod Podge on as you need in your own time. Alright, so now I'm just dusting off any excess glitter once everything is dried because the Mod Podge that you're going to put on top of the glitter won't stick or look as good if you don't do this step. So just brush off any loose glitter. You don't need to be too aggressive, just lightly brush it off with your paintbrush. And then take some Mod Podge and gently pat it into your glitter. This will protect it and seal it in so that it won't fall off of your shoe when you're wearing the shoes or just displaying the shoes. It'll keep them in better condition. Just wait for that to dry. You'll know it's dry when it's clear, and this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.